So the next time your child wants some M&Ms, go ahead and buy 2 packs. Use 1 pack to make them work for the 1 pack they want. In this activity, my son is joining me today, and we're going to show you how to do some math activities with M&Ms. And it's going to be fun. So he's excited about working for these M&Ms. So I'm going to make him work for this pack of M&Ms he wants. And I paid 94 cents for these at Walmart. You can even go to the corner store and get the bag. I just was at Walmart and saw these and picked these up. So remember, if you're liking these videos and you want to see more of them, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment, make recommendations, what content you want me to cover, anything you would like to request, any questions you have, put it in the comment section. And also hit the bell so you'll get notifications whenever we submit or release new material. So let's get started with the activity. Okay, for the first activity we're going to show you, all you need is this graph and activity paper. And you don't even have to have this. You can actually do it without this, but if you have this, it'll be good. We will include this in the comment section, a link to this sheet in the comment section. Okay, so we're going to start by opening the M&M.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
And we're just going to dump them on the table.
Yes.
Actually, wait.
My job.
You want to do that? Okay. Dump them on the purple sheet.
Uh-oh.
All right. And take a guess. How many M&Ms you think that is?
1,000.
You think that's 1,000 M&Ms?
1,001.
You think that's 1,001 M&Ms?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So TJ's guess is 1,001. I'm going to write his guess down. And my guess. No smelling.
No, not doing it.
TJ's guess is 1,001. And my guess is, I'm going to say.
I said 100.
You say 100? Okay. So he's changed his guess to 100.
No. That's 1,001 because 1, then 0.
That's 100. 100 is 100. So do you want to guess 100 or do you want to guess 1,001?
100.
Okay.
And
TJ guess 100. I'm going to guess 55. All right. So then what you want to have your child do is sort the M&Ms. So we made a guess of how many we thought it was going to be. Now, TJ, I need you to sort the M&Ms by color. Once your child has sorted the M&Ms, next thing you want to do is have your child graph the M&Ms on this graph paper. The M&Ms are actually too thick to stack in a straight line and to be accurate with the numbers. So what you want to have them do is stagger the M&Ms like this. TJ, look. You're going to stagger them like this.
I just thinking about it.
Okay, go ahead and do it. Good job. So how many red M&Ms are there?
40.
How many? What number is that?
14.
14. Good job. Alrighty. So just write 14 right here in the red box. Yep. Good job. 14. All right. And now go ahead and do your orange. All right. So how many orange ones are there? Count all of them. 18. So write 18 down there in the box. Good job. All right. So yellow is also off the chart. How many yellow are there?
18.
18. Good job.
18. They look the same. That order.
All right, let's go with green. Do the green. We're gonna fix it. This is the beauty of the graph. You can look over here and see how many green are there. According to that, 5, right? Good job. So write 5 in the green box. So how many blue are there?
18.
Good job. So write 18 in the blue. Okay. Now brown. How many brown? Just go ahead and count them because you don't have the numbers at the top. So you have to count them. It's off the chart. 17. So write 17 at the bottom. Good job. Now I'm going to ask my son some questions in regards to the chart. So, according to the chart, TJ, which color had the least amount of M&Ms?
What does that mean?
Least amount? The smallest amount?
Blue.
Green. Good job. Green. Which one had the most? So there were 3 that had the most. You are correct. Orange, yellow, and blue. Okay, so now we're going to figure out how many M&Ms there were all together and figure out who was closer, me or TJ, and put a twist to it. Whoever was closest get the big box, but whoever was furthest away get this little bitty bag. What do you think about that, TJ? You don't like that idea? Okay, so we're going to do some mini math problems. Or addition problems. We're just going to add up all of the numbers. So, who was closest? My guess was 55. Your guess was 100. 90 is closest to 100. So, TJ is the winner. For the next activity, we are going to focus on multiplication and helping your child to understand that multiplication is repeated addition. So we're going to start, and all you need is some flashcards, some basic flashcards I have. And I just have a few, so I'll make this quick. Just show you a few of them. So this says 9 times 10. So what I want my child to understand is that one of these numbers represent groups, the number of groups, and the other one represents how many is in each group. So for 9 times 10, that means I want you to make 9 groups of 10. So TJ, make 9 groups of 10 for me. Can you put 10 in the group and make 9 groups of 10?
10 group.
Right. So Taj has created 9 groups of 10. Those are extra. So 9 groups of 10. This is what 9 times 10 represents.
Can I eat them?
No, you cannot eat them. Remember, we're working. So this is what 9 times 10 represents. 9 groups of 10. So can you count them for me, Taj? Counting by 10. So there's 10 in each group. So count by 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
90. So 9 times 10 is, how many did you just count?
90.
90. 9 times 10 is 90. Okay, for this next one, we're going to have Taj build 7 groups of 5. 7 groups of 5. So Taj, start building those 7 groups of 5. One thing you could point out, because if you notice on the last one, we built 9 groups of 10. This was how many groups there were. This was how many in each group. For this one, we're building 7 groups of 5. There are going to be 7 groups with 5 in each. So one thing you need to point out to your child is that it doesn't matter which one represents the number of groups and which one represents how many is in each. Go with the number that's easier to count. Like I know my son know how to count by 10s. I know he know how to count by 5. So I'm going to put 10 in each group and 5 in each group. And if you iterate that with your child and practice it with them, they'll develop the habit of being able to make it as easy for them as possible. So now Taj has built 7 groups of 5. So Taj, can you count them? Since there's 5 in each group, count by 5s.
5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35.
So how many do you have?
35.
So 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is
35.
Is 35. Good job. All right, we'll do one more. Build. We'll do one more. Let's do this one. Build 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2.
That's easy. One,
So my son also knows how to count by 2, so I can help him work on his 2s for multiplication.
1, 2.
All right, so 3 groups of 2. How many do you have? Count them. Counting by 2s. So count by 2s.
2, 4, and now 7.
No, you know how to count by 2s. 2 what? Count by 2s.
2, 4, 5.
Do it again. No, okay. Taj. Now Taj, count by 2s.
6.
So how many total are there? 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. Good job. All righty. So thanks for tuning in with us with our M&M activity. We showed you how to do 2 basic activities, how to do basic sorting and graphing, and also how to start developing a foundation for multiplication with your children. TJ, did you enjoy the activity?
Yeah!
What did you enjoy most about it?
Eating M&M.
Eating the M&M. So he got to eat M&M. So he was super excited about working for those M&M. So remember, if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel. Also click the like button. Oh, and one other thing, if you want to, you can order this M&M and math book. It has a little bit more activities you can do with M&Ms in it. It's very inexpensive, and if you use the link below, a portion of the proceeds will go to my nonprofit organization, Making Awesome Things Happen. Check us out. You can click the link below as well to check out the nonprofit organization and what we're about. So again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, let me know what I should do my next video on. If you have any questions, make sure you write them below. Hit the bell so you'll get future notifications. And we really, really appreciate you for tuning in and doing these activities with your kids. All right, TJ, what you got to say?
Bye-bye and chocolate M&M day.
All right, and see you next time.